All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to go over what cryptos should you invest in for beginners, or what cryptocurrencies should I invest in if I'm new to the space. Guys, this is pretty important. I get this question asked a lot. This is not financial advice, but I'm going to go over my top 5 picks of what cryptos to invest in for beginners. So first, let's get into the verse of the day. So in Genesis 22:18, and through your offspring, all nations on earth will be blessed because you have obeyed me. So this was talking about back in Genesis. This is when Abraham is being talked to about how his offspring is going to be as numerous as the sand of the sea, or as the sand on the ocean shore. But basically, the reason why he did this is because Abraham followed God and did what God said. So if that means anything, guys, follow God and what he says, and he will bless. All right, so let's get into the lesson. Well, not the lesson, but let's get into my top 5 cryptos to invest in for beginners. So first is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the guy who started it all. So this guy has the most adoption. It's currently at about a $350 million market cap. It's got the most people on its platform, the most people using it. It's got the most institutional investors. It has the most people talking about it. It has the most people using it. It's just basically the most all around everything. So Bitcoin is even being labeled as digital gold. So if anyone talks about cryptocurrencies, or actually if anyone talks about anything like a peer-to-peer payment system that's decentralized, people will say, oh yeah, it's Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin's cryptocurrencies. So if you ask people, what's Bitcoin or what's a cryptocurrency, they'll know more about what Bitcoin is than they do about cryptocurrencies. So that's also another thing is Bitcoin, it does have value as in like there's only 21 million, but if you really think about it, what is its value? Well, it's what people are willing to pay for it. And if people know that Bitcoin is a store of value and the store of wealth, it's just like gold. What's gold worth? Well, it's what people are willing to pay for it. Gold does have some sort of usability, but there's other metals that can take its place. So it's not really something that is needed for that. But people have gone to it over time because it's a store of wealth. It's also labeled as God's money. So back in the times with the kings, back in Saul, David, and Solomon, Solomon was the richest man. He made silver as common as just play money. Just like, oh hey, you got silver, okay, cool, whatever, man. And then gold was it was still had value, but he was taking in 666,000 talents of gold every year. Do you guys know how much 1 talent is? 1 talent is 1,000 pounds of gold. Let me put that into perspective. 1 ounce of gold is almost $2,000. Okay, so let's do $2,000 times 16 ounces times 1,000 pounds. That's going to give you $32 million. Now multiply that by 666. That's 2.131 times, or to the times 10 to the 10th power. So basically, that's over almost $1 trillion. It's a lot of money, guys, and he was getting that every year. All right, so that's my top cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. So now let's go into Ethereum. Well, also Bitcoin is the most secure payment or cryptocurrency because it's got the largest amount of adoption and the most miners with it. Now, cryptocurrency number 2. This is my second pick of the crypto to invest in for beginners. This is Ethereum. So Ethereum is the second largest network. It currently has about 60 to 65 billion market cap. And with Ethereum, it is basically your smart contract. It's looking to be the internet of the future, or the blockchain that is looking to allow smart contracts to take place. So basically this allows for like DeFi, which is decentralized finance. It also allows for like lending. It also allows for like prediction markets, or betting. So this Ethereum allows a lot of different things. It's basically the oil for the system. So you have Bitcoin, which is your gold, and then you have Ethereum, which is your oil for the system that allows the cryptocurrency industry slash cryptocurrency ecosystem to run. It's run on Ethereum. I already showed you in one of my other videos how many cryptocurrencies are currently on Ethereum, and here's just a few of them. Let's see. Here's Ethereum. These are all the tokens that are built on Ethereum. There's over 176 times 39. There's over 6,800 or over 6,800 cryptocurrencies that are on the Ethereum network right now. That's a ton of coins. So it's already got a lot of adoption and a lot of users, and it's hard to change. So it's like you have a Apple computer or a iPhone, and your iPhone goes kaput. You aren't going to go get a Samsung Galaxy and upload your iPhone to the Samsung Galaxy. It doesn't work. You got to get another iPhone to upload all your photos and all your other information in your iCloud. So Ethereum, that's my second pick. My third pick is IOTA. So IOTA stands for the Internet of Things. So the Internet of Things it's huge because that's the future. So we're getting into AI and artificial intelligence and robots talking to different robots. This is my third cryptocurrency to invest in. It's because with the robots and the artificial intelligence future, we're going to have a way for robots to talk to each other, or transact with each other. So what this means is, like, say for example, you have an electric car and you need to go charge it. That electric car is going to have its own wallet. You plug in the charger, its charger has its own wallet, so the car pays the charger the money. So you don't even have to get out of your car and put in the credit card to pay for the charger. No, it's just instant. So this is the future for artificial intelligence and the future for machines being able to communicate with each other. So now this even allows the option of like different systems and different things being able to access each other. So there are a lot of bots that'll like spam websites in order to get them to spit out certain data or even hack the system. What this will allow it to do is, like, the computer that's trying to access the other data has its own wallet and it's going to pay to use that data. Right now it's all free because Google is paying for or getting your data in order to give you a free service. So really they're paying you for your data. So it's not really free. So you're targeted with ads and all kinds of advertisements based on your data. So when that goes away, Google and Amazon and Facebook, I can assure you they're going to start charging you to use their service. Just watch. So that's my third one. The fourth one is Binance. This is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So Binance is huge. When you go into Binance, you get the best rates. It's like 0.1%. And when you use BNB tokens, it has a use case. So when you use BNB, you actually get money off of the trading. So like it's like 75%, or it goes down to 0.75, then it'll go to like 0.5. So it goes down when you use Binance as a cryptocurrency. So let me see if I can show you guys this. Fees here. So if you look at the fees, enjoy more benefits with BNB fee deductions for the following transactions. 25% off trading. Why would you not use BNB? It's 25% off. If you can go to a store and buy groceries for full price, or you can go to the store right next door for 25% off, would you use it? Well, yeah, no dip. You'd use the 25% off. It has huge adoption. It has a use case. And on top of that, it's de-inflationary. So every year they're getting rid of tokens and burning them to eventually where it's only going to be 10 billion tokens instead of 20 billion. So they're cutting it in half. So it's de-inflationary. So it's the opposite of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a rate that's going up and up. Binance is getting less and less and less. It's de-inflationary. It's even more helpful to the price of BNB than Bitcoin is. So that's my fourth cryptocurrency to invest in for beginners. Guys, if you're liking this content, smash that like button. If you don't like it, smash that dislike button. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We go ahead and talk about things like this, cryptocurrencies, and different how-to videos. So now let's get into the fifth cryptocurrency, Engine. Now this one is the blockchain of video games. I remember when I was a kid, I was playing the video games. I would get all kinds of items and cool items. I'd spend so much time and waste so much time with it. And with Engine, now there's a use case. Now I can sell those items I spent all that time for to get them and sell them on a marketplace. I mean, sure, I remember you can like transact with a guy outside of the world, call him up or text him or message him and say, hey bro, I got this battle axe. I'll sell it to you for $5 or something goofy like that. And it's harder to transact, but instead with Engine, it's a marketplace. So it's like Amazon. You post it on the marketplace, someone buys it, you get your money, and that's it. So it's almost basically what Amazon did to how we transact with merchants. So in my opinion, Engine has the most adoption. It is the #1 gaming coin. It has the most people on it. It's even sponsored with Samsung, which is huge. They have a lot of partners, and this is their marketplace. This is just kind of what you can do. I also will do a video on this so you guys can see it. This is their current volume. They got 3.6 billion in blockchain assets. I like the Engine project. It's a cool project. This isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion. These are my top 5 cryptos to invest in for beginners. I'm not giving this to you as financial advice. This is just what my opinion is. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. That way you get notified every time we make a video. And if you guys have any thoughts or opinions about what your top 5 cryptocurrencies are, leave them in the comments below and tell me what you think. Tell me what cryptocurrency is better and why. Tell me why I should have picked a different cryptocurrency than the ones I picked. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate you taking a look at this video. And again, smash that like button if you like the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. I like making these videos and would like to continue making them. Thanks for watching, guys.